The Curious Kiddos by kids for kids. Let's make some delicious banana pancakes. We will need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 ripe bananas, and more riper bananas will make it sweeter. We will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and some vanilla extract. First, we'll make the puree. Take your 2 bananas and slice them into a blender or mixture. You could also mash them, but I prefer to make a puree. Now let's blend it to make the puree. And it's done. Now we're gonna add the milk. Now we're just gonna blend it to mix both of them. And it's done. It's mixed. Our puree is ready. We will add the 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to the flour. And we will mix it with the whisker. It's mixed. Add the banana puree to the flour. I will add a little bit and then mix it. And continue this. Now I'll add all of it. And it's done. Now we will add 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix it. The batter is ready. Make it this type of consistency. If you think yours is too thick, add a little bit of water or milk. But if you think yours is too thin, add a little bit of flour. Now put gas on mid and let it heat. After it's heated, we're ready to start making our pancakes. First, apply some butter. Then, take some batter and put it on the pan. Spread it in a circle. Wait until one side is done. You can see this texture. See under to check if the side is done. Flip it. Now wait until the bottom part is done. Check the bottom. And it's ready. Repeat step 8, 9, and 10 and continue making more banana pancakes. Now our banana pancakes are done. Pour maple syrup or honey and top it with your favorite fruits. And enjoy! It's done! Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.